Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify create a help center app with Zendesk and no code, a detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a help center app with Zendesk using no code, start by signing in to your Zendesk account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Zendesk website and following the registration process. Once you're signed in, navigate to the admin section by clicking on the gear icon in the left sidebar. In the admin settings, locate the channels section. Under Channels, click on Help Center. Ensure your Help Center is enabled. Next, customize your Help Center's appearance by selecting the Customize Design option. Choose a theme that fits your brand or select a default one to get started. Once you've selected a theme, click on Edit to modify colors, fonts, and layout. After customizing the design, move on to create articles for your Help Center. Click on the Add Article button to start writing informative content. Use clear and concise language in your articles, focusing on what your users need. Add images or media to enhance your articles, if applicable. Next, organize your articles into sections for easier navigation. Go to the Sections tab and click on Add Section to categorize your content. Make sure to title each section appropriately to guide users effectively. Now, let's set up user permissions for your Help Center. In the admin settings, go to People and select Roles. Here, you can manage who can view or edit the content in your Help Center. Adjust these settings according to your organization's needs. Once the roles are set, it's time to preview your Help Center. Click on the Preview button to see how your Help Center will appear to users. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. Once satisfied, publish your Help Center by clicking the Publish button. After publishing, share the URL with your users to access the Help Center. Keep your content updated regularly by adding new articles and sections. Monitor user engagement and feedback to improve the Help Center continuously. With these steps, you now have a fully functional Help Center app created with Zendesk and no code. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.